Welcome guys. So in this session we'll see how to log the steps into the reports, okay, using TestNg. So in general we use SOP statement logs into the console, right? If you want to print something in console, we are using what? SOP statement. But in report this SOP statement will not be captured. Let's see. Okay, so launch the browser. Okay, so first step, if my browser is getting launched, so it should print this, right? Next, if this step will pass, means enter the URL, right? Means entering the URL, right? After that, once URL will be entered, so getting the title, right? So I'll just write here getting the title, right? After getting the title, my verification will be done, right? So if it will be done, so these steps will be passed, right? Then it will go to the next step. So I want to print, okay, verification is success, right? So these are the steps which will be executed and which will be printed into the console since I'm using SOP. Let's execute. Okay, so as of now I just want to execute only one test method, so I'm just commenting the other two, so only one test methods will be there, right? Let's execute. So now we'll see in console and report both. Okay, so first we'll see console, then we'll try seeing in the reports. Okay, so if you'll see in console, yes, I have got launch the browser, enter the URL, getting the title, verification is success, perfect. So I'm able to see in the logs console, right? But whether this will be captured in the report, let's see. So I'll go to project, refresh it. In test output folder, I'll go to emailable report and click yes. So if you'll see here, it is not captured anywhere. So this is my test, okay, but nothing, no message, no steps is getting captured, right? So in TestNg we should not use SOP statement, okay? So instead of SOP we have something called reporter.log, okay? Then we have multiple kinds, so I'll use the string, and then I can pass the same message, okay? I can pass the same message, okay? So this is very basic which I am explaining now. So now I'll remove the SOP because SOP we should not use in TestNg, right? Now enter the URL. So I'll just copy paste this line, okay, enter the URL. I'll remove the SOP, okay, again I'll copy, so verification, then after this also I'll paste, then getting the title, I'll just cut it, remove the SOP, now paste it here, again I'll copy this, remove the SOP, paste it, perfect. So now I don't have any SOP statement inside my TestNg test method. I have mentioned everywhere reporter.log, which is TestNg inbuilt class, right? So I'll just now execute, and now I'll see, and this all the steps will be captured inside the reports. Let's see. I executed, started. Let's observe the output and see how easy it is to logs into the reports. Done. Okay, so if you'll see, now I'm not getting anything in console, but let's see in the reports. Let's go refresh it. Okay, emailable report. Now if you'll see, I'm getting the message, right? So this for test case first, I'm getting launch the browser, enter the URL, getting the title, verification is success, right? So verification is success, I'm getting, means I'm getting proper steps also into the logs, right? Result, right? Or you can say that report. Now one more thing, suppose let's go here, okay, if this test case will fail, suppose Google G, okay, so now expected is something, actual is something, it will fail and it will never reach here, okay? In this case, let's see how it will look like. So I'll execute once again, okay, let's observe the output. So title is done, and just go and check. So I'm getting one test case executed and fail, means only one executed and that is also what, failed. Okay, let's go and check into the reports again. I'll refresh it. Okay, or you can just go to, already if you have opened, just go here and just do click here. So now it will be latest. So if you'll see here, I'm getting here, launching the browser success, enter the URL, fine, getting the title success. But after getting the title, whatever steps is there, that is the problem. And see, in report I'm able to see expected is what, Google G, but found is what, Google. So simple, very basic understanding, you can able to grab it. Okay, what is the error? So expected is what, Google G, but what I'm getting is actual is what, Google. So it means you are passing wrong information is expected, right? So I can just go to my program simply and I can see here, where is it? So I can see here, so what I'm passing is Google G, that is wrong. So I need to change it. If I'll execute, so if I'll execute this time, it will be success. So this is how you can logs the steps into the reports. Okay, looks good. So that's all about reporter.logs in TestNg. So see you in the next. Thank you for watching.